In this video, I will detail how to adjust brightness on iPhone on iOS 18. So there are a few ways that you can use to adjust your iPhone brightness. It could be automated using auto brightness on iPhone, and it could be manual. So this depends on your choice. So basically here, I'll show you how you can easily adjust brightness on iPhone on iOS 18. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down here and then locate display and text size. Click on that, then move down to the bottom of the page. Now you should see auto brightness. Go ahead and turn this on. Then this is going to automatically increase your iPhone brightness based on the brightness of the environment or the light of the environment, based on the environment. So that's one way that you can use to turn on auto brightness on your iPhone. Now another way you can use to turn on brightness on iPhone is to just swipe down the control center, then press and hold the brightness icon, press and hold it. Then you have option to adjust the brightness just like this. See that? So this is going to dim the brightness, this is going to increase the brightness. So just make sure you adjust it to a perfect location of your choice to make sure you enable brightness on your phone. So that's another way. The third way to turn on brightness on iPhone on iOS 18 is at the same time turn this on, press and hold this, and then locate True Tone and then tap on True Tone. Then once you turn on True Tone, this is going to make sure your phone adapts to the environment brightness at any time, any day. So these are the few ways you can use to enable or turn on brightness on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.